Being a step ahead is not about moving faster than everyone else. It is about thinking earlier, preparing deeper, and acting with intent. While others react, you anticipate. And while others wait for permission, you build capacity. You study when no one is watching. You practice when results are invisible. And you commit when outcomes are uncertain. That is how separation is created. A step ahead means discipline before motivation. It means choosing consistency over comfort. And it means making decisions today that most people postpone until tomorrow and then never make. You do not announce your progress, you let time reveal it. When opportunity arrives, you are not surprised, you are ready.